Hey everyone, Dean here. Life gets pretty hectic, right? Between work, family and friends, it can feel like there's just not enough time in the day. Eating healthy doesn't have to be another chore on your to-do list. In this video, I'm sharing my top time-saving tips for eating healthy, even with a jam-packed schedule. Let's dive right in. Who has time to cook a full meal from scratch every night? Not me. That's why meal prepping is a lifesaver. One of my favorite hacks is to cook a big batch of protein like grilled chicken or quinoa on Sunday, then use it throughout the week in different meals. Think salads, wraps, or even just a quick stir fry. Another great tip is to pre-chop your veggies. Wash and chop a bunch of veggies at the beginning of the week and store them in airtight containers in the fridge. They're ready to grab and go when you need them for a snack or to throw into a recipe. Invest in some good quality glass containers for storing your prepped meals and snacks. We've all been there, rushing out the door with no time for a healthy breakfast. That's why having some healthy grab-and-go options on hand is crucial. Overnight oats, Greek yogurt with berries, hard-boiled eggs, or a protein smoothie are great options. Keep a stash of healthy snacks like almonds, fruit, or a protein bar at your desk or in your bag. Let's talk about those midday cravings. Having healthy snacks readily available at your desk is key to fighting those temptations. One of my favorite desk snacks is a small bag of trail mix with nuts, seeds, and a few dark chocolate chips. Apples, bananas, and oranges are all portable and require no preparation. Try keeping some whole grain crackers and individual packs of nut butter at your desk. Batch cooking on weekends can be a game changer during the week. One of my favorite things to batch cook is a big pot of soup or stew. Another great option is roasting a tray of vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, or sweet potatoes. You can add them to salads, grain bowls, or enjoy them as a side dish. Double the recipe. Leftovers freeze beautifully and can be a lifesaver on busy nights. The slow cooker, a busy person's best friend. You can throw all the ingredients in the morning, set it and forget it. Come dinner time, you'll have a delicious and nutritious meal waiting for you. One of my all-time favorite slow cooker recipes is chicken chili. Another great option is pulled pork. Just place a pork shoulder in the slow cooker with your favorite BBQ sauce. Cook on low for 8 hours and shred it up. Use it for sandwiches, tacos, or salads. Pre-chopping your vegetables is a simple yet effective time-saving hack. By taking a little bit of time on the weekend to wash and chop your veggies, you're setting yourself up for success throughout the week. Don't forget about frozen vegetables. They're just as nutritious as fresh vegetables and can be a lifesaver when you're short on time. Overnight oats are perfect for those who are always on the go. Simply combine oats, milk, yogurt, and your favorite toppings in a jar. Leave it in the fridge overnight, and voila! Breakfast is ready. Customize them with different types of milk, yogurt, fruits, nuts, seeds. The possibilities are endless. Make a big batch on Sunday and have breakfast ready for the entire week. Having a well-stocked pantry is like having a secret weapon in your healthy eating arsenal. Some of my pantry staples include canned beans, lentils, quinoa, brown rice, whole grain pasta, canned tomatoes, and low sodium broth. These ingredients are incredibly versatile and can be sown, can be used in countless healthy recipes. Don't forget about spices. They add flavor without extra calories or sodium. Frozen fruits and vegetables are a true lifesaver for busy people. They're just as nutritious as fresh produce, often more affordable, and they last much longer. Plus, they're already washed and chopped, which saves you even more time. Frozen fruits are perfect for smoothies, oatmeal, or just enjoying on their own. Frozen vegetables can be added to soups, stews, stir-fries, or roasted as a side dish. Smoothies are a busy person's best friend. They're quick and easy to make, incredibly versatile, and a great way to pack in a ton of nutrients. Start with a base of leafy greens, add some frozen fruit, a source of protein, and boost the fiber with chia seeds, flax seeds, or hemp seeds. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious smoothie. It will keep you feeling full and energized for hours. Snacking can be a slippery slope. By taking a few minutes to portion out your snacks into individual servings, you're much less likely to overeat. Invest in some reusable snack bags or containers and portion out your favorite snacks like nuts, seeds, trail mix, or popcorn. Pre-portioned snacks make grabbing a healthy snack on the go a breeze. You can also buy pre-portioned snacks at the grocery store, but they tend to be more expensive. Sometimes life gets so busy that even with the best intentions, cooking just isn't an option. That's where meal delivery services can be a lifesaver. Look for one that uses fresh, high-quality ingredients and offers a variety of healthy and delicious meals. Meal delivery services can save you a ton of time and stress, especially during those extra busy weeks. We all love a good takeout night, but it doesn't have to sabotage your healthy eating goals. The key is to make smart choices and be mindful of portion sizes. When ordering takeout, look for dishes that are grilled, baked, or steamed rather than fried. Choose lean protein sources like chicken, fish, or tofu and load up on vegetables. Ask for your sauce on the side so you can control how much you use. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and well-being. Keep a water bottle with you at all times, fill it up first thing in the morning, and keep refilling it throughout the day. If you find plain water boring, try adding some slices of fruit, cucumber, or mint leaves for a refreshing twist. One of the most effective ways to eat healthy on a busy schedule is to plan your meals ahead of time. Taking a few minutes each week to plan out your meals and make a grocery list can save you a ton of time and stress. Look at your schedule for the week and identify any potential obstacles to healthy eating. Having a plan takes the guesswork out of healthy eating and makes it much more likely that you'll stick to your goals. So, there you have it. Time-saving tips for eating healthy even when you're busy. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. By incorporating these simple tips into your daily routine, you can fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Start by implementing 1 or 2 tips at a time and gradually work your way up to more. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy living tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.